Hey guys, welcome to Steamworks, and today we are starting our new web series, Germs, the Good, the Bad, and the Ugly. And today we're going to talk about cells and everything you need to know about cells. So I'm Avery, and
I'm Sandra. So, did you know that the cell is the basic unit of life? And so when you think about living things or organisms, all organisms are made up of cells. So whether you're talking about something simple like bacteria that's made of like one cell, or you're talking about very complex organisms like us, human beings, or maybe your pet dog, we're made of trillions and trillions of cells. So let's talk about different parts of the cell. And one of the best places to start is from outside in. So the first thing that we have is our cell membrane. Our cell membrane is almost something like our skin would be. It's a protective layer of the cell. It's the layer of the cell, or the part of the cell that determines what comes in and what stays out. All right, so for today's activity, our Ziploc bag will be our membrane. Next is the cytoplasm. So the cytoplasm is what fills the cell up. It's almost like if you would think of like water in a water balloon, it's what gives the cell its structure, okay? It's where all the activity, all the fun stuff is going on. So today we'll use corn syrup for our cytoplasm. And then we also have some really fun food coloring. We're using green food coloring today to make it look a little different. So the nucleus is the brain of the cell, all right? It has the DNA and nucleic acids, which tells the rest of the cell what to do. And today we're going to use our wooden ball as our nucleus. So then we have the mitochondria. The mitochondria is that powerhouse of the cell. It's where the cell gets all its energy, right? And when you think about the food that you eat, once that food gets digested, it reacts with oxygen, and that oxygen is what gives the mitochondria the ability to make energy for us. So last but not least, we have the lysosomes. And the lysosomes are the guys that are responsible for getting rid of all the waste in the cell. So just like when we eat food, it has to go somewhere, right?
okay, so today we are going to build our own cell using all of these materials. So let's jump in. So for this activity, we will be needing a plastic baggie, some pipe cleaners. We will be needing macaroni noodles or any type of noodle. We will be needing pieces of foam. We cut ours into little circles and drew little squiggly lines with a Sharpie. And then we will be needing colored rocks. If you don't have colored rocks, you can use beads or anything like that. We'll be needing a piece of string, preferably a different color from your pipe cleaners. So we have blue pipe cleaners and yellow string. And then you're going to be needing one large wooden or plastic bead. And then we have some other beads as possible replacements for our rocks, so just about this size. And then you'll be needing some corn syrup and food dye if you want to color your corn syrup, tape, and scissors.